Hi everyone, in today's video we are testing the MX1508 motor driver. This driver supports forward, reverse and PWM speed control, and it is ideal for small robots and DIY projects. For this test, the MX1508 is connected to a Raspberry Pi. The Pi sends PWM signal to control the motor direction and speed, and I am powering everything with a variable voltage supply. We'll be running two small DC motors to see how it performs. I've got a voltage and current monitoring so we can see the power used in real time, and a thermal camera to check how warm the driver gets under load. As we can see, with a 4-volt input and a current below 200 mA, the driver stays at about 20 degrees, the same as the room temperature we are testing in. I'm now slowly increasing the voltage from 1 volt up to 10 volts. Let's set the PWM of both motors to 0, which means maximum forward rotation. But since the voltage isn't high enough, the motors don't move yet. The driver temperature rises slightly as the current increases, but as soon as the motor starts turning, the current drops and the driver gets a little cooler. The supply voltage is now about 10 volts, and the driver is slightly warm at around 32 degrees Celsius. Now I'm slightly changing the duty cycle of both motors. Let's try slowing the motors down by hand. As I add resistance, the temperature, input current, and power all start to rise, even though the duty cycle isn't set to maximum or minimum. Although the input power reaches to near 5 watts, but the driver temperature hardly reaches to 40 degrees. To add more load, I have to adjust the duty cycle either up or down and try stopping the motor to observe what happens. As you can see, the input power is about 13 watts, but the driver temperature is still under 40 degrees. The driver is rated for 10 volts, but I'll push it to 12 volts and see what happens. The temperature quickly rises above 50 degrees. And now let's add some resistance to the load by hand. At an input voltage of 11.3 volts, the temperature is now around 70 degrees. I increased the voltage to 12 volts, and as you see, the driver stopped working normally. This time the driver IC is heating up, and it is over 90 degrees. This is my very first YouTube video. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, please hit like and subscribe. Your support really motivates me to make more videos and share even better content with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to bring you more.